The next item I'm making is a rich little chocolate cookie, and the name of it is Stick to Your Teeth Chocolate Cookie. So, can you guess how I came up with that name? I've started by melting our chocolate, and I'm going to add a sweetened condensed milk to it. Now, in melting your chocolates, most of the packages would tell you how to do it because different chocolates melt in different ways. But this way, over hot water, is really hard to beat. So I'm going to take this off of our heat now. And see, that's looking good already. Now, I've run the homemade graham crackers that I brought from the mill. I've run them through a food processor, and we're going to add those. This is an easy, quick cookie to make. And it's just different from your chocolate chip or your peanut butter or your oatmeal. And I can't wait to see what the homemade graham crackers do to this. All right, we're going to add a pinch of salt, half a cup of walnuts, and about a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just going to fold those in, and we're going to drop them onto a very well greased cookie sheet. The most important thing about baking cookies is that they be made all the same size, because if you have a big cookie here and a little cookie here, they're not going to cook in the same length of time. So make sure that all your cookies are the same size. And I'm going to put a rounded teaspoon down, and you can see that these are going to be kind of thin, but I'm going to work very hard to make sure that every one of these cookies wind up the same size. And did you notice there's no flour in these cookies, which makes them so fast and easy. We're going to top each cookie with a walnut half, just in case there's not enough nuts in the center. Now you can use pecans or peanuts or almonds, any of your nuts. All right, these are ready to go into the oven now. We're going to bake them at 350 for about 10 minutes. I've been just baking away all day, so the first batch that I threw in the other side of my oven should be about ready. They look very, very good. And we're going to take these off while they're warm and transfer them to a pan that's been lined with wax paper. And I'm going to resist the temptation because these cookies are best eaten after they've cooled. Let me check this one. Oh, yeah. He's a little stiffer. Let's see what we've got. It's definitely a stick to your teeth. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.